Assalamualaikum class 7. Today we are going to start our unit number 3, Land and Life in Asia. Class, as you know that Asia is the largest continent among all the 7 continents of the world. And class, you know that what is continent? Continent means a massive land piece, very big piece of land. The total land area of the world is divided between 7 continents of the world. So, among them, the largest continent is Asia. And class, not only according to the land, Asia is also the largest continent according to the population, as it contains more than 60% of the world's total population. More than 60% of the world's total population is live in Asia. So class, our this unit is about the land, which means the physical features, and also about the life, which means the ways of life of the people of the countries of Asia. Now class, go ahead. Now class, come to chapter number 1. The land of Asia. Thus, in this chapter, we will read about the physical features of Asia. Now class, come to chapter number 1, the land of Asia. Class, in this chapter, we will read about the physical features of Asia. And class, what is meant by the physical features? Class, physical feature means the natural features which the land of Asia comprises. And class, what are the physical features of Asia? The physical features of Asia are high mountains, high plateaus, fertile plains, and vast deserts. Now class, we are going to study about each of them in detail. Now class, we have our first physical feature, that is mountains. And class, the important mountains of Asia are Altai, Ghats, Kunlun, Tian Shan, Ural and Zagros. And then class, we have plateaus. First of all class, what is meant by plateaus? Class, plateau is a higher area which has flat top surface. Class, it looks like a mountain, but it is differ from mountain in this way that plateaus don't have peaks, they don't have pointed peaks, they have flat top surface, and we sometimes call them tablelands also. And class, the important plateaus of Asia are Iranian plateau, Deccan plateau and Tibetan plateau. And class, among these 3 plateaus, Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau, and it is also known as the roof of the world. It is on such a height that it is called as the roof of the world. Now class, we have plains. Class, what are plains? Plain is a flat lowland. Now come to the important plain of Asia, that is Indus Plain area. And class, in Pakistan, it covers Punjab and Sindh. Now class, we have coastline of Asia. Class, what is mean by coast? Class, basically the coast is the boundary of an ocean or a sea. And class, the coastline of Asia is 62,800 kilometers long. And class, there is a country in Asia, Bangladesh, which is located on coast, and class, due to which it experiences flood every year. And the next thing we have class is monsoon, which causes rainfall in Asia. And class, what is meant by monsoon, or what are monsoon winds? Class, monsoons are basically the periodical winds which blow from Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. And class, as monsoons are the periodical winds, which means they blow regularly in a specific time of the year, we have 2 types of monsoon winds, the summer monsoon winds and the winter monsoon winds. And class, the monsoon wind which causes rainfall in Asia is the summer monsoon. And class, due to the monsoon, the countries of Asia, especially Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India faces heavy rainfall. Now class, we are going to study about the topographic maps. And class, which kind of maps these are? Class, they show different altitude, difference in height, and the topographic map shows these difference. And then class, next we have contour lines. Class, contour lines are basically based on topographic maps, and with the help of contour lines, the topographic map shows elevation in the map. Class, it means the tool which is used by the topographic map to show different elevations are called contour lines. And next class, we have aerial photograph or aerial view, which means photographs taken from very much height. Class, nowadays we have so many drone cameras, and with the help of these drone cameras we take aerial photographs. And aerial photographs are usually class very small because they are taken from very much height. Now class, we have some major deserts of Asia. Now class 7, we are going to study about the major deserts of Asia. And class, the largest desert of Asia is Gobi Desert, and it is found in the north of China. And class, then we have Arabian Desert, and class, Arabian Desert is located in the Western Asia. And class, then we have Third Desert, and class, it is situated in both Pakistan and India. Class, in Pakistan it is located on the province of Sindh. And class, then we have Karakum Desert. Class, Karakum means black sand because of the color of its soil. It is named as Karakum Desert. And class, it is found in the east of Caspian Sea. Class, now we have rainforest. Class, you have heard about the forest, but what are rainforests? Class, rainforests are thick forests of tall trees, and they are found in tropical areas. Tropical areas means class, the areas which has very hot climate. And class, basically the tropical areas are located on equatorial region. As you know that the equatorial region is the hottest region of the world. And class, it grows where there is a lot of rainfall. Class, the tropical regions face heavy rainfalls because of their hot climate. So that's why class, the rainforest grows on tropical areas because there is a lot of rainfall, and you know that class, rainfall helps in growing trees. And the class, the rainforest found in Asia, in South and in Southeast Asia. Now class, heading towards some of the advantages of rainforest. Now class, here we have a spider web diagram, and with the help of it we will read about some of the advantages of rainforest. Class, the first advantage of rainforest is it supplies oxygen because it has lots of trees, so that's why it supplies oxygen and in a large quantity. And due to the supply of oxygen, carbon dioxide reduces. And class, when oxygen increases and carbon dioxide reduces, in this way it is stabilized Earth's climate. And class, it also protects the area from floods because class, the roots of the trees absorb the water and it prevents the water from going onwards. And class, it also maintains the water cycle. And class, it also maintains the water cycle. And next class, we have large number of plants and animals in rainforest. There is a large variety of animals and plants found in rainforest. And then we found several herbs for making medicines from rainforest. Now class, these are some of the advantages of rainforest, and there are also so many other advantages of rainforest.